We are a design build firm essentially set up. So we have a separate architectural firm and then a construction company. We do a lot of design build work where we do the design and the construction also. Energy Cooperative, they are a local utility company. This is their main office location.
We had some security concerns with low countertop areas where people might be able to reach across the counter. We decided to raise the counter and also install bulletproof glass for the protection of our member service representatives working behind the counter.
We did a little research on TSS, picked their brain on what they've done, how they would approach this.
One of the things that was important to us was still having good face-to-face interaction with our members so they didn't feel isolated from our member service representatives.
Because it was an operating lobby, we had to shut the lobby down. They did have a drive-through that they were able to use during construction, but we still needed to kind of minimize the construction time period. What we did, and TSS was good at working with us, as soon as we got the new counter installation installed, TSS got to come in and measure, and then they provided a very quick and responsive turnaround. TSS came on Monday, measured, and then the following Monday they did the install. And because it was very seamless, we looked really good to our client, and the client was very happy with what they did.
So do you feel better interacting with the members when you're looking them at an eye-to-eye level?
It's less threatening.
From our client standpoint, it wasn't any different than them working with us, and everything was taken care of kind of as promised. They did everything they told us they were going to do. They did it when they told us they were going to do it, which in turn meant that what we told our client we were going to do is what happened.